Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a super quick video. It's going to be a quick smoothie hack because I'm all about efficiency here on this channel. So I want to show you guys how to make a healthy smoothie, but in a super efficient way. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and place you guys down here so you can see exactly what's going on. Perfect. All right, so basically when you typically make a smoothie, it looks something like this, right? You have this blender top, you have the blender, and you fill everything up in here, and then you gotta clean this, and then also clean the cup of what you drink in. But imagine if you can make it just in the cup that you made it in, instead of making it in this and then transferring it over to the cup. And that's exactly what we're going to do. And we do that by a mason jar. So if you notice, a mason jar, it has those like divots up at the top, just like our blender would. So we're gonna unscrew this. And if you notice, it has those same divots like our mason jar has. So I'm gonna put this off to the side, not even use this, and take this. So I'm gonna fill this up with all the ingredients that you're gonna typically make your smoothie with. Then you're going to take this top portion, put it right on top here. Then take this, screw it on. Perfect. And now here you got your blender. Just as simple as that. We'll put it on here, make sure that it's locked in, obviously, and then you just go ahead, click blend. When you take it out, you open it. You just need to wash this quickly in the sink, and then you have your smoothie already. And literally, the cleanup is nothing. It's this. So you don't need to clean up this whole entire thing as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's make our smoothie. Now I like to also put a little bit of protein powder in here just to kind of give it a little bit of substance. A little bit of milk to also add a little bit of protein. Also, it just kind of helps blend everything up. Oh, and I also forgot to mention I like to use frozen strawberries because it gives it that nice thick consistency. And then just some plain vanilla yogurt. I often like Greek yogurt, but this is just plain vanilla, which works just as fine. So I put everything in there. Put this lid on here, screw it on, make sure it's screwed nice and good because you don't want to mess that up. Give it a little shake just to make sure the protein powder doesn't stick on the bottom. Lock it in and blend. Watch out because there's some like suction afterwards, so it might be hard to take out. And we're all cleaned up. Look how simple that is. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Actually, let's go ahead. Let's take a sip. Let's see how it turned out. That's delicious. So see here, and I just go ahead. Also, this is a reusable straw, so I like to just wash this, and it's delicious. So it's got some protein, got some fruit, a little bit of milk, and nice and simple. So cheers. See you guys in the next one.